This step-by-step guide will help you file your annual rental income returns on iTax, whether you are in Kenya or living abroad. Who this applies to? You have salary plus rental, you had rental losses or expenses to claim, you are filing under normal regime, not MRI. You did not file under MRI for the year as required. Documents required are rental income details for the year, total rent received, then expenses, repairs, agent fees, mortgage interest, and a P9 form if also employed. So this is the process. Log in using itax.kra.go.ke. Then you can use your ID to log in, enter your ID number, and then validate. Then enter your password and click login. Then go to Returns, File Returns, select Income Tax Resident. Then download the Excel sheet on point 5 and indicates you the Excel that you need to use.
Please subscribe and turn on the notification bell for more videos like these.
Once you open your Excel sheet, enter your KRA PIN number here. Then tax type, you choose original. The tax period, it's definitely 1st to 31st of December 2024. And then do you have any other income except employment income? You select yes because you have the rental income. Then you go to P&L sheet, direct to the P&L sheet. There are different ways that are indicated here that you get your income. So under the rental income, input your income here. So let's assume you had an income of 1 million for the whole year. Write 1 million here. And then you go down to where there are expenses. So let's assume you advertise for house vacant worth 55,000 shillings. You paid agent commission of 110,000. You paid a lawyer, maybe for agreements, 60,000. You did house repairs worth 70,000. You paid your security guard for the houses worth 50,000. You paid a mortgage interest worth 30,000. You paid building insurance worth 50,000. And then you add any other expenses that are not indicated above. In our case, let's say you paid water and electricity 50,000. So as you can see, your net profit has reduced. So next, go to balance sheet. There's nothing much to do here. But because it needs to balance, you just indicate just one on the shares and on the proprietor's capital, just write number 1 and then just skip through the sheets to sheet F. Indicate the employment details if you have one. If you have no employment income, go straight to the last sheet for the tax computation. You get to enjoy personal relief of 28,800. If, for example, you got a withholding tax amount, you should add it here. If none, just confirm the amount payable to KRA, that is the tax due, and click validate. Then we go back to the iTax portal. So confirm the tax period and choose file. You need to upload the Excel sheet that you just completed. Then click open. Select I agree to the terms and then submit. And you are done. Some tips. Don't claim MRI if you never registered. File before 30th June to avoid penalties. If unsure, consult the KRA for some assistance. This method is suitable for landlords with detailed records of rental income and expenses. If you are not sure which method suits you best, consider seeking tax advice or watching our upcoming comparison video. Follow us at RM Accounting Solutions for more tax and small businesses finance tips.
Kindly like, share, and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video.